Good morning, everybody, and happy Wednesday. Welcome back for another great day of online learning. We're going to get started with our rules. So, rule number 1 is to follow directions quickly. We're going to skip 2 and 3 since they have to do with raising our hands. Rule number 4 is to make smart choices. Rule number 5 is no whining. Rule number 6 is to be patient, and rule number 7 is to be kind. Being kind to one another and being kind to yourself. All really, really important things to be doing right now. So let's look at our days of the week. Here's our calendar for April. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020, and it is Peyton's birthday today. So happy birthday, Peyton, 6 years old. All right, looking at our morning message for today. Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 29th. So you guessed it, it's time to count by ones to 29. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we start again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. So what is one more than 29? Remember, more means greater than or bigger. So one more than 29, you have to think in your head and think, what is the number that is one more than 29? 30. One more than 29 is 30. If I ask you what is one less than 29, one less than 29 is 28, right? That's always a fun thing to do. All right, it is Peyton's birthday. Again, happy birthday, Peyton. Let's review some of the text features in a book. So, looking at our book that we read yesterday about Australia, let's go over some of the text features. Text features are different parts of a book, and there are a lot of them, especially in informational text. So, right here, looking at our book, one of our text features is called our table of contents. And our table of contents kind of goes over everything that we're going to learn about in a book. And it tells us what page number that information is on. So we see like amazing animals. We follow along this line and it says 15. That means that if we turn to page 15, we'll find our section on amazing animals. So speaking of sections, we have this text that's in blue. That's going to be called our heading. And a heading is something that is at the beginning of different sections. And a lot of the time the author will help us to know where the heading is. It's always at the top, but they'll help us to know that it's a heading because they might make the font bigger, or they might turn it a different color, or it might look a little bit different. So here we see amazing animals is at the top and it's in blue. So we know that for the next couple of pages until we get to a new heading, we're going to learn all about different animals. Photographs, pictures, that's another text feature. So this author has decided to use photographs in her book because pictures help us to learn more about the place we're learning about. So if you've never seen a koala before, then this picture is going to give you a lot of new information. So far we have reviewed our table of contents and our headings. We're also going to look at down here, this is called a caption. A caption is at the bottom of a picture. So this caption says the word koala means no drink. Koalas get most of their water from their food. So captions have more information for us about the picture specifically, and they teach us a lot of really cool things. So see if you can find some captions in a book that you might have or that you could read on Epic or another app. All right, the last text feature I want to go over is our index. So in the back of our informational text, we have what is called an index. And an index is if we want to look up a specific word and find out what part of the book we can learn more about. So maybe I want to learn more about the outback in Australia. So I will just turn to my index and I'm going to look for the word outback. And this is in alphabetical order. So it starts with the A's and it goes all the way to the Z's. And if there's a letter that doesn't have a word, that's fine. They just go on to the next one. So we were just starting to work on alphabetical order when we started doing our online learning. So outback starts with an O. So I can find it right here. And it says 19 and 21. So those are the page numbers that I can turn to find out more about the outback. So let's try it out. Oh, I went to page 19 and sure enough, here is the word outback and that has some information on it. And 21 teaches us about the really cool rock that's in the outback. So see if you can find any of those text features on a book that you read. All right, our math problem of the day. Peyton has 9 cupcakes for her birthday. 9 cupcakes. She is so hungry that she eats all 9 of them. How many cupcakes does she have now? So Peyton has 9 cupcakes, so I'm going to write the number 9. And she eats them. So this is going to be a subtraction problem because we're going to end up with less. We're taking away. So I'm going to put a minus sign, 9 minus. And how many does she eat? She eats all 9 of them. So here's something that we might not have gone over before. Any number, take away itself, is going to be 0. So 9, put up 9 fingers. See if I can put my marker down real quick. Putting up 9 fingers, taking away 9 of them, you have 0. Again, putting up 9, taking away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 0. So you can double check that by drawing a picture. We'll draw our 9 little circles and then we'll cross off 9 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And if you have nothing left, the math word for nothing is 0. So put 0 right there. You can also put this into a number bond. So putting this into a number bond, here we go. All right, so she had 9 cupcakes. So that's going to be our whole. And then we need to figure out our 2 parts. Well, she ate 9 of them and she had 0 left. So our 2 parts are 9 and 0 because 9 plus 0 more equals 9. Any number plus 0 equals 9. Equals that number, not always 9. So 9 plus 0 equals 9. Wonderful. All right, have a wonderful Wednesday, everybody. Don't forget to go on Epic, Khan Academy, Lililo, and to sign in on kinderalliance.org so we can know who's watching these videos and who's working hard. And I know there's so many of you doing that. So sit up nice and tall. We'll just do 2 super quick breaths this morning, and then y'all can get on to our reading. So breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Have an awesome day, y'all. See you later.